You, out of here now! Now! Not one more word out of
I had just finished mowing a yard when I noticed an elderly man across the street struggling to cut knee-high grass with an old push mower. Every few feet he'd stop, lean on the handle, and catch his breath. Next door, an HOA board member stood watching with her arms crossed. "You've ignored warnings for weeks," she yelled. "If this yard isn't cleaned up tomorrow, you're getting fined again." I walked over and asked if he needed help. He looked embarrassed, but admitted he'd recently had hip surgery and couldn't handle the yard anymore. His wife used to help before she passed away. Before I could answer, the HOA member interrupted. "Don't waste your time," she snapped. "That lawn has been dragging down the neighborhood for months." That was enough for me. I unloaded my mower and started cutting. Almost instantly, she pulled out her phone and began recording me. "You landscapers think rules don't apply to you," she complained. "This is disturbing the neighborhood." I ignored her and kept working. Thick grass quickly turned into clean stripes. I edged the sidewalk, trimmed around the porch, and cleared weeds from the fence line. About an hour later, an HOA management truck pulled up. The woman rushed over pointing at the yard. "Finally," she said. "Someone needs to do something about this property." The manager stepped out, looked at the freshly cut lawn, then at the elderly man sitting on his porch smiling. Then he turned to her. "Actually, the yard looks great," he said, "but we've received complaints about harassment from residents in this neighborhood. That needs to stop." She went completely silent and walked back inside without another word. As I packed my equipment, the man looked across the yard and quietly said, "My wife would have loved seeing it look like this again." Sometimes helping someone matters more than complaints and rules. If you believe neighbors should look out for each other, drop a heart and subscribe. Where are you watching from?